press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear students, today let us discuss the last paper of the KSET series, that is KSET Grand 11. We are going to face the KSET examination this week. I wish all the best for you people. Please attend all the 60 questions because there is no negative evaluation in KSET. Attend all the questions sincerely. You may know the answer or may not know the answer, that is secondary. Just you must attend all the 60 questions in KSET, but don't do that in JW. Okay? Under Grand 11 paper, we shall come to the first question. If n of u is equal to 700, n of a is equal to 200, n of b is equal to 240, n of a intersection b is equal to 100, then n of a dash union b dash. Very, very basic question. Sometimes we commit the mistake for basic questions. N of a dash union b dash is the same as n of a union a intersection b whole dash, n of a intersection b whole dash, which is equal to n of u minus n of a intersection b. What is n of u? 700 minus what is the number of elements in the intersection set? 100. So that gives you 600. Not A, not A or not B is nothing but the complement of both A and B. Both A and B, complement of both A and B. So the right option is second. Now let us come to the second question. N of A is equal to A, N of B is equal to P. Then the total number of non-empty relations that can be defined from A to B. So you know the formula. Total number of relations 2 power mn. This is the total number of relations, which includes the empty relation also. But we are asked the non-empty relations. So you have to subtract an empty relation. 2 power. What is the value of m? 8. What is the value of m? P minus. That must be your answer. I hope that is available in first option. Question number 3. The range of the function. The range of the function. This is a well-known question. Range ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವಾಗ f of x y ಗೆ equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Where x belongs to R is the second option. 1 by 3 comma 3. That is the closed interval. Y ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ. Y ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ x ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಆಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next, question number 4. Convert 6 radians into degree measure. What is 1 radian value? Question number 4. 1 radian, 57 degree, 16 minutes, 42 seconds. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ NCERT ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೌದು. 6 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. 16 minutes 42 seconds into 6. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಡಿಗ್ರಿನೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 252 seconds 6 into 16 96 minutes 342 degree. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ 252 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 60 4s 240 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 96 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 4 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 100 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 252 ನಲ್ಲಿ 240 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ? 12. This is 342 degree. Approximate value ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ 100 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಯ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು. 342 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು 343 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 40 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು 12. So the nearest answer for this is 343 degree 38 minute 11 seconds. Second ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗಿನ್ನ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, if a plus b is equal to 5 pi by 2, a plus b is equal to 5 pi by 2, then what is tan of a plus b? First ಇದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಿ. Tan 5 pi by 2. So tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So tan of 5 pi by 4, 225 degree, that is plus 1. That lies in the third quadrant where tan is positive. Tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a. This is the value of tan a plus, but we are asked the value of 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a. 1 plus. Now let us substitute the value of tan a plus tan b from this equation, whose value is 1 minus tan a tan plus tan a. You get. So that is available in third option. Question number 7. Right. If sin a is equal to 3 by 5 and a is in first quadrant, then the values of sin 2a, cos 2a and tan 2. Sin a value onde ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. What is sin a? 3 by 5. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ in the first quadrant as per the ASTC rule, all are positive. Now what is our sin 2a? What is sin 2a? 2 sin a cos 2 into sin a is 3 by 5, cos a is 4 by 24 by 25. So 24 by 25 ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಕು cos 2a. cos 2a ನ in terms of sin ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ cos ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರೀರಿ. 1 minus 2 sin square. 1 minus 2 sin square a means 9 by 25. 25 minus 18 is 7 by 25. 25 minus 18, that is 7 by. So 7 by 25 ಎರಡನೇದು ಇರೋದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 24 by 25 ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಮೂರನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಇದು tan 2a ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. What is tan 2a? sin 2a divided by cos 2. Sin 2a divided by cos 2. What is sin 2a? 24 by 25. What is cos 2a? 7 by 25. 25 25 cancel, so that gives you 24 by 7. So you can go for the third option, which is the right one. Question number 7. For all positive integral values of n, ನೋಡಿ n ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ 1 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 3 power 2 into 1, that is 9, minus 2 into 1 plus 1, 9 minus 7 plus 8. So it is divisible by 8. 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Question number 8. Number of solutions of the equation. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. Number of solutions of the equation. Z square plus 7 into Z bar is equal to 0. Okay. What is the Z square? You can write the Z square as Z into Z bar plus 7 into Z bar is equal to 0. Now take Z bar as common. You get Z plus 7 is equal to 0. So first possibility is Z bar is equal to 0. Z bar is equal to 0 means Z is equal to 0 plus I 0. This is one solution. The second possibility is Z plus 7 is equal to 0. So Z is equal to minus 7 implies Z is equal to minus 7 plus I into 0. So how many solutions can be possible? So clearly we have two solutions. How many solutions? One solution is Z is equal to 0 and another solution is Z is equal to minus 7. So two solutions can be possible. Next question. 9. The number of real roots of x plus 1 by x whole cube plus x plus 1 by x is equal to 0. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಯಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಡೆಕಾಲ್ಟೇಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು f of x ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3ab x1 by x cancel into a plus b plus x plus 1 by x. Okay, ಅಥವಾ ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೆಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 3x plus x is 4x plus 3 by x plus 1 by x is 4x. See, observe how many changes are there f of x. Sign change ಎಷ್ಟರೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. This is positive, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive. No change in the sign at all. And 0 positive root. This root is 0 positive root. Next, f of minus x cube minus x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 4x minus 4 by x. This is negative, 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 negative. Change under positive to negative or negative to positive is considered to be a change. But here there is no change. And 0 negative roots. And also 0 is not a root because x is present in the denominator. So 0 is not a root. Number of positive roots is equal to 0. Number of negative roots is equal to 0. So total number of real roots is equal to number of positive roots plus number of negative roots plus 0 whether it is a root or not. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರೂಟ್ 0 ಇದೆ, no root, no negative root, 0 is not a root. So how many solutions can be possible? The number of real roots is 0. Number of real roots is 0. So that is the fourth option. Solutions of the inequalities comprising a system in linear variable, a variable x are represented on number lines as given below. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಂತರೂ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ -4 to 3 ಇದೆ, So you can take that solution as minus infinity to minus ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ minus infinity to minus 4 is included and also 3 is included minus 3 ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ minus 3 ತಗೋಬಹುದು yes 3 to infinity 3 to infinity ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು 3 to infinity so minus infinity to minus 4 ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವ್ದು minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 3 to infinity ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲನೇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ minus 3 ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಎರಡನೇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 11th find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word independence 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 ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ n 1 2 3 n ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3 e ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 4 ಇದೆ 1 2 3 4 ಮತ್ತೆ i ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ d 2 ಇದೆ ಓಕೆ i ಆಯ್ತು p ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಇದೆ c ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು when all the vowels always occur together ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ all the vowels occur together vowels ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇದೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಈ 5 ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲಿ ಆ 5 ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ 12 minus 5 7 7 plus 1 8 so how many permutations can be possible 8 factorial ಈ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀಯ divide by n is repeated twice d is repeated twice in addition in these 5 letters they can be permuted internally so 5 factorial among these 5 letters 4 letters are e so agidre e has appeared 4 times so again it is repeated permutation divided by 4 factorial now you can simplify this 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divide by 3 factorial into 2 factorial 5 into 4 factorial 5 4 ones are 2's okay 5 2's are 10 50 300 10 into 8 on 16,800 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ 50 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 300 2 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ 3 7 21 21 16,800 so that is the first option is the right option question number 13 a crocodile is known to have not more than 68 teeth the total number of crocodiles with a different set of teeth ಏನili what is the main observation that you must come across illenide nodri the total number of crocodiles with a different set of teeth antare andre crocodile ge 0 teeth irbodu 1 tooth irbodu ಅಥವಾ 2 teeth irbodu 3 teeth irbodu 4 teeth irbodu ಅಥವಾ 68 teeth ಕೂಡ ಇರಬಹುದು so this is clearly a question on subsets so how many subsets can be possible here nodri 0 irbodu 1 irbodu 2 irbodu 3 irbodu like that how many subsets can be possible 2 power 16 68 teeth so 2 power 68 is nothing but 2 square 2 power 4 whole power 17, which is nothing but 16 power 16 power 17. Okay, so that option is available in ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ 0 ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 68 C0 ಅಥವಾ 1 ಇರಬಹುದು 68 C1 ಎರಡು ಇರಬಹುದು ಎರಡು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಇರಬಹುದು like that it may have all the 68 repeat. These are the possibilities. So what is the total number of sets? What is the total number of sets? If it contains n elements, 2 power. So empty set is also a subset. So what is the total number of subsets? If a set contains n elements, 2 power n. Here the value of n is 68. So we must have 2 power 68 is the total number of subsets. That 2 power 68 ಅನ್ನೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. 2 power 4 whole power 17, that is 16 power 17 must be the right answer, which is available in third option. Question number 14. This is a simple question. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವುಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, x3 power 5. ಈಗ 7 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 7 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವುದು, x4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, 7. 9 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ GP when n is odd, if its middle term is m, then the product of its all odd terms is m power n. So here 42 power 5 must be the right answer. Next, question number 14, a simple question. The line through the points, ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೈನಿನ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. Question number 14. M1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅನ್ನ 8 minus 6 divided by 4 plus, okay, 2 by 6, which is 1 by 2. And what is M2? 24 minus 1 divided x minus 6, x2 minus 6, 12 divided by x minus 6. These two lines with the slopes m1 m2 are perpendicular to each other, means the product of the slopes must be equal to minus 1. Product of the slopes must be equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 12 divided by x minus 8 must be equal to minus, so 3 ones are 3 fours. 4 is equal to cross multiply minus 6 plus 8. X is equal to 8 minus 4. That must give you 4 as the right option, which is available in first option. Question number 15. The distance of the point from the line. The distance of perpendicular distance ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ 2y minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a line. What is the perpendicular distance from that particular point? 3 into 1 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 4 divided by root of a square plus a square, means 3 square plus minus 2 whole square. This is 13 by root 13. That gives you root 13 as the final answer. So that is available in fourth option. Find the ratio in which, this is a question from first year 3D. The line segment joining the points 4, 8, 10 and 6, 10 minus 8. 6, 10 minus 8 is the divided by the yz plane ಅಂತಾರೆ. yz plane ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x coordinate ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ k ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದು x coordinate 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. x coordinate ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡಿ x coordinate must be 0. So k into 6 plus 1 into 4 divided by k plus 1, that must be equal to 0. 6k is equal to minus 4. K is equal to minus 2 by 3. So 2 is to 3. Negative ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. So 2 is to 3 externally, which is available in second option. Question number 18. So 17. That is also a good question on limits. Limit x tends to 2. ಇದನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x minus 2 minus what 2 into 2x minus 3 no plus 3 minus divide by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. ನೋಡಿ denominator ನಲ್ಲಿ x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ 2 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the function cannot be defined. So you have to ನೋಡಿ either apply the L'Hospital's rule or you can apply some more methods, algebraic methods. ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ. x square minus 3x plus 2. So x into factorize ಮಾಡ್ರಿ x minus 1 into x minus 2. Yes, 2 into 2x minus 3. Let us factorize this as x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, limit x tends to 2. Now take the LCM. X into x minus 1 into x minus 2. LCM x into x minus 1 minus 2 into 2x minus 3. Limit x tends to 2. Okay. X square minus x minus 4x plus 6 divided by what? X into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Limit x tends to 2. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ x minus 2 into x minus 3 divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. ನೋಡಿ x minus 2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನಾವು 2 minus 3 divided by 2 into 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 must be your final answer. That is available in third option. Okay. Question number 19 is also of the same kind. Better to factorize and simplify. ನೋಡಿ ಆ sin x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, sin x ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. sin x ಅನ್ನ y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2y square. plus y minus 1 divided by 2y square minus 3y plus ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2y square plus 2y minus y minus 1 2y is common y plus 1 minus 1 is common y plus so this must be y plus 1 into 2y minus divided by yes 2y square minus 2y minus y plus 1 ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ 2y is common you get y minus minus 1 is common you get y minus so y minus 1 into 2y minus let us cancel this y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀಯಾ sin x ಈಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ sin x plus 1 by sin x minus so what is x tends to what 5 by 6 sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus 1 sin 30 is 1 by 2 minus this is the 3 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 so that means minus 3 must be our final answer which is available in second option. Question number 19. Okay. Find the derivative of very simple question. The quotient rule ಅನ್ನು apply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ you get the first answer as the right answer minus or plus ನೋಡೋಣ y is equal to cos x by 1 plus sin x okay and differentiate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು denominator 1 plus sin x into differentiation of numerator minus sin x minus cos x into differentiation of 1 plus sin x is cos x divide by square of the denominator 1 plus sin x whole square minus sin x okay this is a minus sin square x minus cos square x minus common ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ sin square x plus cos square x ಉಳಿತು ಅದು ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ becomes plus 1 plus sin x whole square ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು minus 1 by 1 plus sin x that must be our option I hope the first one is the right option I have already told you previously 21 two plants A and B of a factory show following results about the number of workers and the wages paid to them last time ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ in which plant A or B is there greater variability in individual wages number of workers ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5000 ಇದೆ secondly 6000 there is a difference average is nothing but the mean x bar is given average monthly wages 2500 2500 nice so they are equal variance of distribution of wages are different what is the standard deviation standard deviation is nothing but the square root of variance 81 ಇದೆ square root of 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ standard deviation of the second group that becomes 10 but what is the formula for CV sigma divided by x bar into 100 so when x bar is same for two set of data CV is directly proportional to sigma ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು ವೇರಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ವೇರಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ CV ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ B ಯ CV ಜಾಸ್ತಿ sigma of B is greater than sigma of A. Therefore, B is more variable than A. ಅಥವಾ B is less consistent than A. ನಮಗೆ consistency ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, variability ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So B is more variable than A. So I think fourth option is the right option. A bag contains 9 discs of which 4 are red, 3 are blue and 2 are yellow. The discs are similar in shape and size. A disc is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that it is either red or blue. Red ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ 4, blue ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3, total ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 7. Red blue ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿ total disc ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 9. 7 by 9 must be a probability. So general probability ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ problem ಇದು 7 by 9. I think that option is available in fourth one. 23. Let S be the set of all real numbers let S be the set of all real numbers, then the relation R is equal to A comma B such that 1 plus AB greater than 0. On S is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Reflexive, transitive and symmetric under equivalence. Reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Symmetric, transitive but not reflexive. A very good question. Yes. ಈಗ reflexive ಆಗಿದೆ ನಾವು 1 plus A into A greater than 0. So do you believe that 1 plus A square is always greater than 0 for any real value? A. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, 0 ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0. ಸೊ therefore it is ನೋಡಿ 1 plus AB ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus BA ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So can you say that it is symmetric? It's definitely it is symmetric. So reflexive ಆಯ್ತು, symmetric ಆಯ್ತು. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡೋಣ. 1 plus AB greater than 0 ಆದರೆ 1 plus BC greater than 0 ಆದರೆ it doesn't imply that 1 plus AC is also greater than 0 ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ, 1 plus A ಗೆ ನಾನು -2 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, B ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus 2 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3, A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ minus 1 plus B ಗೆ minus 1 ತಗೋಬೇಕು, C ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸಮ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು, 1 minus 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1/2 C ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 1 minus 1/2 1/2 ಆಯ್ತು, greater than 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ B ಗೆ ಇದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, C ಗೆ 1/2 1/3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 minus 1/2 is not greater than 0 ಆಗಿ 2/3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 minus ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, 5/3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 minus ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. A ಗೆ -2 ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, B ಗೆ -5 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0. Actually, ಈ particular example ಅಲ್ಲಿ greater than 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That need not be greater than 0 always. So it is symmetric and reflexive but not transitive. 1 plus AB. Next. E power mod x minus e power minus mod x. E power minus x. E power x plus e power minus x. Then f of x is, ನೋಡಿ x less than 0, f of x ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು assumption ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ, less than or equal to 0. f of x less than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು e power minus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. e power minus x minus e power minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. greater than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ e power x minus 1 by e power x divided by e power x plus 1 by e power x. So that becomes e power 2x minus 1 divided by e power 2x plus greater than 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀಯ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ -2 ಇದೆ, -1 ಇದೆ, 0 ಇದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ -3 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ರಾರ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, -3 ಇದೆ, -2 ಇದೆ, -1 ಇದೆ, 0 ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ, 3 ಇದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ, 3 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 0 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, f of x ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The image remains the same in all these cases. x greater than 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ, 1 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ e square minus 1 divided by e square plus 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆದಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ಯಾವ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ maximum number of elements same image, so it is minimum. And also some elements, that is negative numbers, are not the images. There are some elements left in the codomain which are not the images. In other words, the codomain is greater than range, therefore clearly it is into. So many one and into must be our right option, but that is not available in the answer set, so go for none of these. 25. For binary operation defined on r minus 1 such that a star b is equal to a by b plus 1, it is neither associative nor commutative. You can check it, no problem. 26. Simple question. 14 months negative ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi minus stable value pi by 6, that gives you 5 pi by 6 must be one option. So that is available in third option. 26. Which of the following is the principal value branch of cosecant inverses? That is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 minus 0. The second option is the right option because this is domain and range of the inverse trigonometric functions in the table. A is equal to, question number 27. A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 AB minus 1, then A minus I into A plus I is equal to 0 for any A and B. A is equal to B is equal to 0 only, B is equal to 0 only, A is equal to 0. Yes, the question number is 27. A minus into A plus I is equal to 0. A square minus I square is equal to 0. A square is equal to I square is nothing but I. But what is A square? A into A, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 AB minus 1. I think that is A. Yes. Once again, 1 0 0 0 1 0 AB minus 1 is equal to, let us take it as I1. I by 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. You multiply now. 1 plus 0 plus, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. 1 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. A plus 0 minus 0. That is also 0. 0 plus z minus c, that is also 0. 0 plus 0 minus 6 minus plus. So you are getting ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ tricky problem. ನೀನು ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ವ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎನಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಯಾಕೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನು ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 0 0 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you have to write the answer as any A and B. That is the first one is the right option. 29 is a simple question. AB whole dash delta. What is AB? A is a column matrix 1 minus 4. B is a row matrix minus 1 to 1. Multiply 1 into minus 1 into 1 into minus 4 into minus 4 into 2 minus 4 into 1 3 into minus 3 into 2 3 into 1. This is AB. Therefore, its a transpose is required. How to get the transpose? By interchanging the rows and columns. 4 minus 8 minus 4 minus 3 6. This must be the transpose which is available in first option allilla, second allilla, third alli illa, fourth allu illa. Fourth option ana cut agide alla. -1 ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ -1 4 -3 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ 1 4 -3 ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇದು -1 ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ -1 4 -3 and then 4 2 minus 8 6 2 minus 8 6 1 minus 4. So this is the right option. So can you go for that option? Correct. Is the sum of symmetric matrix B and skew symmetric matrix C. Then C is. So how do you write a skew symmetric matrix? Half of A minus A. Half of what is A? 3 minus 4. 1 minus what is A dash? 3 1 minus 4 minus half 0 minus 5 5 0. So that must be equal to 0 minus 5 by 2. This is a skew symmetric matrix. You can see another skew symmetric matrix. Half of A plus A dash is always symmetric. half of a minus a dash is always skew symmetric. So, which is the right option? 0 minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2, 0. First option is the correct option. Question number 30. So, again, collinear ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. Determinant method ಮಾಡಿ. Area ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? 0. 3 minus 1 x 2 1 8 8 1 that should be equal to 0. So class multiply minus 0 expand model 2 minus 8 x minus 8 8x minus 16 is equal to what to simplify to get the value of x minus 6 into 3 minus 18 plus 2x minus 16 plus 8x minus 16 is equal to 8x plus 2x and that's minus 32 minus 18 minus 50 that's plus 15 that gives you the value of x fine which is available in first option. Okay. Question number 32. Find AB whole inverse. 31. What is A inverse? Find out multiple first. Matrix node ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Interchange the principal diagonal elements. Keep the principal secondary diagonal elements in the same position with opposite sign. Minus 3, minus 2. And what is the determinant of A? Minus 8, minus 3. That is minus 11 is its. Similarly, what is B inverse? Interchange the principal diagonal elements. Keep the secondary diagonal elements in the same position with opposite sign. What is the determinant of B? 3 minus 2. That is 1. Now you are asking AB whole inverse, which is same as B inverse A inverse 1 by 1. That is 3 to 1 1 minus 1 by 11 into what is A? A inverse. ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 4 3 1 minus 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 12 plus 14 9 minus 5 4 plus 1 5 3 minus 1 14 5 5 1 that must be our answer. I hope that is not even one method AB ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ adjoint ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೆಟರ್ AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್. So that option is available in first one. Question number 32. The equations have non-trivial solutions. Then A is equal to. Determinant toggle. Question number 32. 1 A minus. Okay. 2 minus 1 A1 this determinant must be equal to 1 minus 2 minus minus A into 4 minus A square minus 1 into 2 plus A is equal to 0. Yes. Minus 2 minus A minus 4A plus A cube minus 2 minus A must be equal to 0. So A cube minus 6A, okay, minus is equal to ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ -2 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರಿಯಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. -2 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ -2 whole cube is -8, -6 into -2 is +12 minus. So this will be satisfied. So the right option is ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ -2 ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ +2 ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಡನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 33. and this is a question on continuity. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 33. root of 4 plus x minus divided by x. X is not equal to 0. So limit x tends to 0. So if you put x as 0, then the denominator becomes 0. So the function cannot be defined. But for a function to be continuous, the first condition is the function must be defined at that point. So here apply the LHospitals. 1 upon 2 root 4 plus x 0 divided by. Now put the limit 1 by 2 root of 4 plus 0. That is root 4 is 2 into 2 is 4. 1 by 4 must be our final answer. That is available in second. Same type question is on LHospitals too, but this is on limits. This is on continuity. What is that? F of x is given. What is f of x? Minus log 25 minus 6. Immediately find f dash of x. What happens? Minus 1 by 2 root of 25 minus x square into differentiation of 25 minus x is minus 2. Minus 2 cancel. X divided by root of 25 minus x. X divided by root of 25 minus x. Okay. Now f dash of 1. Let's over. 1 divided by 25 minus 1 square becomes 20. Now let us take the limit. X tends to 1. F of x minus f of 1 divided by x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1. Apply the LHospitals rule. F dash of x. F of 1 is a constant whose derivative is 0. Divided by x whose derivative is 1. But what is f dash of x as x tends to 1? F dash of 1. What is f dash of 1 value? 1 upon root 24. Sometimes root 24 may be simplified. But here it is not simplified. If it is simplified, then it becomes 1 by 2 root 6. Question number 35. ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos 2 theta. cos inverse cos 2 theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ cot inverse cot 3 theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. what is its derivative? 2 by. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 37. f of x is equal to x square into g of x and g of x is a twice differentiable. Twice differentiable ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Then f double dash of x. First we have to find f dash of x. X square into g dash of x plus g of x into x. What is f double dash of x? X square into g double dash of x plus product ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ g dash of x into differentiation of x square is 2x. ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ g of x into differentiation of 2x is 2 plus second function 2x into differentiation of g of x is g dash of x. So clearly, what is f double dash of x? X square into g double dash of x plus this is 2x g dash of x plus 2x g dash of x is 4x g dash of x plus the left out function is 2 into g of x. That is available in first option. Next, 37. A ladder 10-meter long rests against a vertical wall with the lower end on the horizontal ground. The lower end of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. The height of the upper end while it is descending at the rate of 4 centimeters per second is 37. Now this is ladder. Okay, 10-meter long. Let us take the height of the ladder as x, distance of its foot from the wall. The lower end of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. This one. dy by dt is 3 centimeters per second. The height of the upper end while it is descending at the rate of 4 centimeters per second. Descending. So dx by dt becomes negative minus 4 centimeters per second. Height of the upper end find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. x square plus y square is equal to differentiate with respect to t 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt is equal to 0. Now substitute the values. 2 common term cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು x is not known. What is dx by dt? Minus 4 plus y is not known. What is dy by dt? 3 is equal to 0. So 3y is equal to 4x. Y is equal to 4x by 3. So we have taken y in terms of x, but we actually require x. For that, consider the first equation, which is in terms of both x and y after applying the Pythagoras theorem. X square plus what is y? 4x by 3 whole square is equal to 100. X square plus 16x square by 9 is equal to 100. 9x square plus 16x square 25x square is equal to 9 into 100. So x square is equal to 9 into 4. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 6. Negative ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So what is the value of x? That value of x must be equal to 6 meter. So that is available in fourth option. Question number 38. The function f of x is equal to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x is an increasing function in the interval tan inverse of sin x plus cos x function That is the question number minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 4. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ f dash of x is greater than 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you get the answer as minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 4. Next, 39. Divide 20 into two parts such that the product of one part and the cube of the other is maximum. The two parts, this is a question on maximum and minimum. Divide 20 into two parts, it means x plus y is equal to 20. So what is y? 20 minus 6. Okay. What else we are done? The product of one part, let us say y, and cube of the other, x cube, is maximum. Here, differentiate. What is y? 20 minus 6 into x cube. That is 20x cube minus x power 4. So what is p dash? 60x square minus 4x cube. That must be equal to 0 because for maxima or minima that should be equal to 0. 4x square is common. 15 minus x. So 4x square is equal to 0. That cannot be possible. Therefore x must be equal to 15. Then y must be equal to 5. So 15 and 5 or 5 and 15. Now you have to put it go. So you can go for third option, which is the right option. Question number 40. This is also a good question on integration. Root of 1 by root of sin cube x into what? Cos power 5x. ನೋಡಿ sin power cos power mix ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ cos cube ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ cos cube ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. dx by root of sin cube by cos cube is tan cube x. Cos power 5 into cos cube is cos power 8x. Cos power 8x के लिए root तक दिया हमने cos power 4x into root of tan cube x. Cos 1 by cos power 4x में secant power 4x divided by root of tan cube x. Secant power 4x ಅಂದ್ರೆ split ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Secant square x into secant square x divided by tan cube x. What is secant square x? That secant square x can be written as 1 plus tan square into secant square x divided by, this can be taken as tan power, this is under total 1, 3 by 2x, and then put tan x is equal to t, so that secant square x into dx becomes dt. Now you can write 1 plus t square into dt divided by t power. Now let us split the integral. 1 by t power 3 by 2 is t power minus 3. T square by t power 3 by 2, 4 minus 3, t power 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 by 2 into dt. Now integrate. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ 2 minus 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal of the index minus plus power side ಮಾಡಿ 2 plus 1. Take the reciprocal 2 by 3 plus minus 2 into ನೋಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪವರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬಂದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ tan ರೂಟ್ tan x plus 2 by 3 tan power 3 by 2 x plus that must be our answer minus 2 by root tan x plus 2 by 3 tan power 3 by 2 x. So can you go for first option as the right option? Okay. Question number 42, 41. This is clearly a question on dx by ax square plus bx plus c form. Integral of dx by root of minus of x square minus 8x minus 9 root of minus of x square minus 8x. Coefficient of x is 8 by 2, 4, square it, 16, add and subtract, plus 16, minus 16, minus integral of dx by x minus 4 whole square minus 25. So integral of minus ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ರೂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Again I am repeating the same. So minus into minus plus 25 minus of x minus 4 whole square, which is same as sin inverse x by a power. X square is 25. So the value is 5 plus c. So that option is available in, that answer is available in fourth option. So go for it. Question number 42. Integral of e power x into x plus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole square into dx. Okay. Integral of e power x. Let us write this as x plus 4 minus 1. 3 and x plus 4 whole square into dx. Integral of e power x plus 4 by x plus 4 whole square is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x plus 4 whole square into dx. This is e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. E power x into f of x plus e power x by x plus 4 plus, that must be our final answer, which is available in first one. X plus 4, no, x plus 3 then. Second option, question number 43 is a simple question. Solve by modulus function, that is simple. That is 43. Root of 1 plus cos 2x can be written as 2 cos x divided by 2 into dx. Integral from 0 to pi cos square x के root cos x ಆದರೆ ಬರೀ cos x ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ square root of cos square x is mod cos x. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 to pi ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. 0 to pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to pi by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ pi by 2 to pi. This is second quadrant limit. Here it is negative. What is integral of cos x sin x minus sin x from pi by 2 to pi? Sin 90 is 1 minus 0 sin 0 plus no minus minus sin 180 is 0 minus sin 90 is 1. So 1 plus 1 that becomes 2 must be our final answer, which is available in first option. 44. Actually ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಗೆ, ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. 44 integral from 0 to pi dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. Put tan x by 2 is equal to t. ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. Put tan x by 2 is equal to t. ಆಗ dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 dt by 1 plus t square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ. sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2t by 1 plus t square. ನೋಡಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When x is equal to 0, lower limit, t is equal to tan 0 becomes 0. When x is equal to pi, t is equal to tan pi by 2 becomes infinity. So this is clearly integral from 0 to infinity. What is the dx? 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 5 plus 4. What is cos x? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. 0 to infinity. Take the LCM and simplify. 5 plus 5 t square plus 4 minus 4 t square. So 2 is taken out. Integral from 0 to infinity dt by 5 t square minus 4 t square is t square. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 into 1 by 3 tan inverse of t by 3 x square plus x square dx by x square plus x square form. From 0 to infinity 2 by 3 tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus 0. 2 to cancel. So that gives you pi by 3 as the final answer. That answer is available in which option? Pi by 3. That is available in first option. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, KCET ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 45. The area enclosed between the curve y square is equal to 4x. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಏನು ಹಾಕೋದು ಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪೇಪರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ y is equal to x ಅಂತ y ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ x ಕೊಟ್ಟು, so x square is equal to 4x. x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ x minus 4 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. y2 minus y1 tan required area. Integral from 0 to 4 y1 minus y or y2 minus y. What is y1? Y square is equal to 4x, so y becomes 2x minus y2. Y is equal to x into dx. 2 into x power 3 by 2 into 2 by 2 minus x square by from 0 to 4. Apply the limit now. 4 by 3 into 4 power 3 by 2 minus 4 square by 2. The lower limit is 0. No need to substitute it again. 4 by 3. 4 power 3 by 2 means 4 root 4. 4 square is 16 by 2 is 8. 4 square is 16 by 2 is 8. Root 4, 2 into 4, 8 into 4. 32 minus 24 divided by 3. So that gives you 8 by 3 square units as the required area that is available in second option. Now let us come to question number 47. Very direct question. X square plus y square is equal to a square. ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏರಿಯಾ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಹುಡುಗರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪೈ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್. 47. The degree of the differential equation satisfying root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus 5 is, so that is degree is 2. Root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus y. ಇದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಕೊಡು, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ವೈ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಎ ಕೊಡು, ಸೈನ್ ಬಿ ಕೊಡು, ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ, 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ, ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ರೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಲಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ ನೀನು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿ, its root is cos. Sin A is x minus sin B is 1. Now apply the transformation of cos A cos B. Third transformation, 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. Transformation of sum into term. A into sin A minus sin B is 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. Okay, cancel these. Once again, it will cancel. So it will cancel. Sin minus cos into sin. Sorry, sin. It will cancel. It will cancel. So like cos by sin is cot of A minus B by 2 is equal to A. So A minus B by 2 is equal to cot inverse A. A minus B is equal to 2 cot inverse. But what is A? Sin inverse X minus what is B? Sin inverse Y is equal to 2 cot inverse A. So ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus y square into y dash is equal to, this is completely a constant whose derivative is 0. So y dash is equal to y dash again dy by dx is equal to transfer ಮಾಡೋ root of 1 minus y square by root of 1 minus x. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 1 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 1 ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? dy by dx whole square is equal to 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Then the degree becomes 2. So degree 2 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to c is the general solution of the differential equation. ಯಾವುದು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to c is the general solution. What is question number 48? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to c. Differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1 by 1 plus y square into dy by dx is equal to c, that is 0. dx LCM ತೆಗೆದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus y square into dx plus 1 plus x square into dy. LCM ತೆಗೆದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that becomes 0. So 1 plus x square into dy plus 1 plus y square into dx is equal to 0. So can you go for fourth option as the right option? 50. The solution of the differential equation cos x into sin y into cos x into sin y into dx plus sin x into cos y into dy. Sin x into cos y into dy is equal to 0. Okay. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dx ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ y ಇದೆ. Y is a foreign term. ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy ಇದೆ, x is a foreign. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin y ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು sin x ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್. So you have to divide by sin x into sin y. Variables trouble ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So sin y cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos x by sin x becomes cot x into dx plus sin x cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cot y into dy is equal to 0. This is clearly a variable simple form. Integrating log of sin x plus what? Log of sin y is equal to, this is clearly log of a, log of sin x into sin y is equal to log r. You can also conclude your answer as sin x into sin y is equal to, that must be your final answer. Sin x into sin y is equal to c. Next, that answer is available in third option. Question number 50. If a line lies in the octant OXYZ and it makes equal angles with the axis. ನೋಡಿ OXYZ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. cos ಆಲ್ಫಾನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, cos ಬೀಟಾನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, cos ಗಾಮಾನು ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. That is all alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma ಆಗಿದೆ. So 3 cos square alpha is equal to 1. Cos square alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So cos alpha is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. But OX YZ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 8 ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ x y z ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇದು ಒಂಚೂರು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್, ಸೆವೆಂತ್, ಏಯ್ತ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. Next, ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, 4 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, 4 ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಇದು ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದೊಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3 ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಆಗ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1/√3, -1/√3, 1/√3 becomes the direction cosines, but here he has given it first octant. OXYZ means first octant. Therefore, go for second option as the right option. 52. The unit vector in the direction of the sum of the vectors A plus B. What is A? 1, 1, 1. Plus, what is B? 2, 3, 4. So that gives you 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So what is n cap? 3i plus 4j plus 5k. Divide by square root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. 3i plus 4j plus 5k divide by √50 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. √50 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5√2. That must be your answer. Question number 52. Two vectors are parallel. Parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ i ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ i ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 4 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು j ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ is 1 divide by j component in the second vector is minus lambda. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore, lambda must be equal to -2. That is your answer, which is available in third option. 53. The equation of line passing through the point equally inclined to the axis. ನೋಡಿ, ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತವೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಇಂದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡಿದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥರ್ಡ್. ಪಾಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡೋ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 55. The equation of the plane passing through the points ABC with the position vectors -632. Okay. What is the second point? 3 - 2 4. 5 7 3. Okay. X minus x1, x plus 6, y minus y1, z minus z1. ನೋಡಿ, equation of the plane passing through 3 non-collinear points ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು 3D ನಲ್ಲಿ. x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Second row x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Third row x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. That determinant should be equal to 0. x2 minus x1, 3 plus 6, 9, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 4 minus 2, 5 plus 6, 11, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. This determinant must be equal to 0. You have to expand this determinant. You get the equation of the plane in Cartesian form. Convert it into vector form. X plus 6 into -5 minus 8 minus of y minus 3, 9 minus 22 plus z minus 2 36 plus 55. That must be equal to 0. Okay. Minus 13x minus 78 minus 13 into minus plus 13 minus 13 into minus plus into minus minus 39. 36 plus 55 is 91z minus 91 into 2 is 182. You must be quick in calculations. Minus 13x plus 13y plus then what? Z alva. This is 91z, not 9z. Plus 91z minus 182 minus 39 minus 78. 180, 210, 280, 97, 99. Minus 299, that must be equal to 0. Or divide by minus 13. X minus y minus 7z plus 13 2 26 3 13 39. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಐ minus j minus 7k and keep the constant separately. Don't mix it with that one. Plus 23 is equal to 0. Minus 7k. Yes, I hope the first answer is the right answer for this one. 55. If the lines are coplanar andre idu kuda almost condition same barutte. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಲೈನ್ 2 9 13 ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡನೇದ್ದು A1 -2 ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. A1 -2. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀನು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, 1 minus 9, z2 minus z1 minus 50. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಲೈನಿನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವೆ ನಿನಗೆ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 2 3. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎರಡನೇ ಲೈನ್ 1 -2 3. ಓಕೆ, that should be equal to 0. Now expand and simplify to get the value of A. A -2 into 6 plus 6, 12, minus of minus 8, 3 minus 3, 0, minus 15, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4 is equal to 0. 12A minus 24 plus 60 is equal to 0. 12A 60 24 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಯ್ತು? 36. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus 36. So what is A? -3. -57. This is clearly a problem on linear inequality, but 3 constraints are given. 3 constraints ಕೊಡೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೂ ಒಂದು better to remember the result. That is enough. 7/2, 9/4. Okay, that is third. 3 constraints ಇರೋದು ಇರಲ್ಲ. P of A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, P of B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, P of B bar A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, P of A union B ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ P of B bar A ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಡು. P of A intersection B bar A ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. P of A. What is P of B bar A? 0.6. P of A intersection B divide by what is P of A? P of A is 0.4. So P of A intersection B becomes 0.24. That must be your intersection probability. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. What is P of A? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ P of A? 0.4 plus 0.8 minus what is P of A intersection B? 0.24. Okay. ಇಂಟು 4 32 ಇಂಟು 4 12 ಹೌದಾ? 120ರಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 96. 0.96 must be the union. I hope that is available in first option. 59. Two cards are drawn at random. 58 are drawn at random one by one without replacement from a pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that both the cards are black. How many black cards are there in the deck? Definitely there are 26 black cards and 26 red cards. He is drawing two cards, two black cards one by one. Before drawing, how many black cards were there? 26. Now he draws one black card. 26 by 52. Now one black card is already drawn. How many black cards are left in the deck? 25. How many total cards are left? 51. Because without replacement, he is telling without replacement. Observe that word carefully. If it is with replacement, then definitely the second one also 26 by 52. But this is without replacement. One black card is already drawn. The second black card 25 by 51. So that must be 25 by, what is this one? 102. So where do you find this? Second option. If A and B are two independent events, then the probability of occurrence of at least one of A and B, that is A occurs but B not, B occurs but not A, both A and B occur. ಈ ಮೂರು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬರೋದನ್ನ at least ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. At least A and B, one of A and B given by. This is a direct question which is available in second option. Question number 60. ತುಂಬಾ ಲೆಂತಿ ಇದೆ. That is a question on base theory. In a test, an examinee either guesses or copies or knows the answer to a multiple choice question with the 4 choices and only one correct option. The probability that he makes a guess is 1 by 3. He makes a guess is 1 by 3. ಇದನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. The probability that he copies the answer is 1 by 6. The probability that the answer is correct given that he copied it is 1 by 8. Find the probability that he knows the answer to the question given that he correctly answered it. He knows the answer ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟನೇದಿದು? ಮೂರನೇದು. ಹೌದಾನೆ? ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೊದಲನೇದು, ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎರಡನೇದು, ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಮೂರನೇದು. ಸೊ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 by 3. ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 by 6. Next, knows the answer, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿನೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. No doubt you have seen that these are the partition of events. So sum of all those probabilities must be equal to 1. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus P of E3, that must be equal to 1. So P of E3 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 6 is the LCM, minus 2 minus 1. So that is 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. 6 minus 3 2s are minus 6 1s. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ knows the answer ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರ probability ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 by 2. Let us imagine an event A where he answers correctly. That is P of A bar A1, A bar E1. A bar E1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ? He answers correctly by guessing. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ, there are 4 answers, 4 options. Among 4 options, only one option gives you the right answer. So by guessing, in what is the probability that you answer correctly by guessing? That is definitely 1 by 4. He answers correctly by copying. That probability is given. Find the probability that he knows the answer to the question. But given that he copied it is 1 by 8. P of A bar E3. What is A bar E3? He knows the answer and he answers correctly. That is a sure event. What is asked? Given that he correctly answered it, he knows the answer. Given that he correctly answered it, that is knows the answer. P of E3 bar A must be calculated using Bayes theorem. Let us calculate this as P of E3 into P of A bar E3 divided by P of E1 into P of A bar E1 plus P of E2 into P of A bar E2 plus P of E3 into P of A bar E3. What is P of E3? 1 by 2. A bar E3 1. P of E1 1 by 3. A bar E1 1 by 4 plus E2 1 by 6. A bar E2 1 by 8. E3 1 by 2. A bar E3 1. I have to simplify this. 1 by 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 1 by 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಉಳಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಉಳಿತು, ಇದು 2 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 ಇಷ್ಟು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. Now 24 is the LCM. 6 4s are 24 1s are plus 124s are. So that gives you 24 by 29. Is it there? Yes, that is available in 24 plus 1 25 plus 4 29. 24 by 29, that is available in first option. Okay, so with this let us finish the discussion of the last paper of this series. I hope all of you have gone through the subject thoroughly. I wish you all the best for the forthcoming KCET and the last attempt of JEE mains exam. Okay, thank you.